Traditional cooking uses too much oil. People still want crispy food.
Air fryers reduce oil dramatically.
Using hot air instead of oil.
Healthier cooking without sacrificing taste.
It also saves cooking time.
More efficient than ovens.
That's why air fryers are essential today.
Easy temperature control.
Cook multiple foods.
Rapid air technology cooks evenly.
Better crisp texture.
Fits small kitchens.
Fits small kitchens.
Limited cooking capacity.
Not ideal for large families.
Number 5. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer.
Reliable and powerful.
Number 4. Cosori Air Fryer. Smart digital controls.
Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus.
Number 2. Philips Premium Air Fryer.
Excellent build quality. Number 1. Ninja Foodie Dual Zone. Cook 2 foods at once.
Each air fryer fits different needs.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for ruft until loaf with a steak of bumper clouds with roll hati hinkel laftons.